So let us see what is the fourth property of determinant. The fourth property has actually two parts. The first part is the value of determinant of skew symmetric matrix of odd order. The value of determinant of skew symmetric matrix of odd order is always 0. So the value of skew symmetric matrix. So skew symmetric matrix, this is the skew symmetric matrix determinant whose order is odd, which is 3 by 3, its value will be always 0. So बेटा स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स को कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, उसकी दो बातें आपको माइंड में रखनी है. आपको एक सेकंड से पता लग जाता है कि इट्स अ डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. द फर्स्ट इंडिकेशन इज the elements in the main diagonal are always 0. In case of skew symmetric matrix, we can prove this also, that the elements in the main diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix will be always 0. The second property is you will check that Aij will be always equals to minus of Abi. जो एलिमेंट ith रो jth कॉलम है, that is minus of the element in jth रो ith column. You can check here. This as explained in the previous chapter, this element is A13. So A13 in this particular case is 5. Now let us check what is A31. This should be minus 5. This is your A31. So by this way we can check this is a determinant of a skew symmetric matrix. The first indication is the elements in the main diagonal are always 0. Secondly, the elements Aij is always equals to minus of Abi. So you can check there it is A32, which is A23, and this is your A32. These are equal in magnitude but different in sign. They are different in sign, but their magnitude is same but different in sign. So this is the property of skew symmetric matrix. Determinant of skew symmetric matrix of odd order is always 0. अगर आप इसको check कर लो, expand कर लो, you will get its value is 0. But whenever you are asked to prove this question without using properties or without expansion, you will say as this is a determinant of skew symmetric matrix of odd order, its value will be always 0. The next question is, what about even order determinant of a skew symmetric matrix? The even order skew symmetric matrix determinant says, this property says, if the determinant is of even order of a skew symmetric matrix, then it will be always a perfect square. You can take the example 0, 5, minus 5, 0, main diagonal element 0 beta, and this element is negative of this value will be, numerical value will be same but sign will be different. अगर आप इसको expand करोगे, you will get a 25 here. You can check yourself. After expansion, multiply this 0 minus of minus 25 will become plus 25, which is a perfect square. So in this property, we have seen that if this is the determinant of a skew symmetric matrix of odd order, then its value will be 0 or vanishes. Secondly, if it is of even order, then it will be always a perfect square. So note down please this. Next we have fifth property. Fifth property is the value of determinant is the product of main diagonal elements is the product of main diagonal elements if, this is the condition, if ये कब होएगा, elements below or above or both below and above to the main diagonal are 0. So according to this fifth property, which says the value of determinant is the product of main diagonal elements, whenever, it is not always true, this is the condition you must know, elements below or above or both below and above to the main diagonal elements are 0. Let us see what this property say in a particular example. For example, if I take determinant 5, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 5, 9, 2. This is a particular example of this property which we can apply here. These elements are the elements in main diagonal. ये main diagonal elements है बेटा. These are called main diagonal elements. If elements below or above, I have taken above in this case, to the main diagonal are all 0. So you need not to expand the determinant. It will be the just product of main diagonal element. So its value will be 20. So अगर हम इन सबको multiply करेंगे, you will get the value of determinant. But under this condition, that elements below or above to the main diagonal elements are always 0. ये प्रॉपर्टी बेटा नीचे अगर सारे एलिमेंट 0 तब भी लगेगी, जब ऊपर वाले 0 हो जाए, चाहे यहाँ पे भी 0 0 आ जाए, तब भी आप ये प्रॉपर्टी लगा सकते हो. The condition must be there. This can be done only if the elements below or above to the main diagonal elements are equals to 0. Then the value of determinant will be the product of main diagonal elements. So in the next property we will see the value of determinant becomes some multiple times whenever we multiply a row or column with that particular scalar number. We will see in the next video.